Some of the challenges today with 401k plans is the volatility and fees. Most Americans and employers and HR representatives know that there's a lot of risk when it comes to that, and they can't control it. And that's the unfortunate part, and the disadvantage of the current system is that many employers, they don't think they have an option. We're going to change that. The GreenLine 401k and its uniqueness is the ability to be able to have a no-fee, no-risk option as one of the investment choices for a 401k plan. As you probably know, and many Americans have experienced, they have lost lots of money, especially in 2008, when Americans lost nearly 40% of their money. Teachers, for example, who've had another option, a safe, no-risk option, did not lose a penny. The benefits that teachers have had is they've actually had choice. They've had a choice of a no-risk tax-sheltered annuity or a mutual fund. And unfortunately, that same choice has not been available to private sector employees. The difference between what they had before and what they can have now is protection, predictability, and stability. The biggest benefit for employers and employees to choosing the GreenLine 401k as an option is a sense of relaxation and comfort, knowing that the employee won't lose a penny and won't have any risk, and there's no fees associated. They're going to know that if they put in $100 a month of their hard-earned money, it's going to be there tomorrow. It's going to be there 10 years from now with interest. This is a contract where you can actually guarantee that your money plus interest will be there. The benefit for the employer and HR is knowing that, one, they're doing the right thing for their employee by giving them an option that's safe and there's no risk. They don't actually realize that they are the sole, true, fiduciary, responsible party in a 401k plan. What I mean by that is that the buck stops with them when it comes to fees and it comes to other investment options. In most cases, employers don't even know, they have no clue. They just hire an investment company and trust that everything is going to be okay. And unfortunately, that's not the case. The beauty in all of this is to offer a no-fee option in a 401k plan, and that's what we do now. And just the way the system has been designed by the IRS, it's available to private sector employees, except no one's really bothered to advocate for that because the mutual fund industry, with its lobbying efforts and its advertising dollars, has dominated this. And unfortunately, private sector employers didn't know that this was available. And now we're making it available by saying, we're taking what teachers have had and has worked for them for decades, we're just bringing that to the private sector, and it's going to transition very easily. And what we've seen in the companies that have already enrolled in the GreenLine 401k is that 9 out of 10 employees have chosen the safe, no-risk option. And that is proof enough that companies should start considering this no-fee, no-risk option. Employees will be happy, and employers will also be happy as well. My name is Alvin Parra, and I'm the founder of the GreenLine 401k. Hi, this is Alvin Parra, and thanks for watching. If you want more information on the GreenLine 401k, click on the link on this video.